Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Today in this video, we guide you through the step-by-step process of connecting and setting up your iRobot Roomba vacuum to a Wi-Fi network. From downloading the iRobot Home app to syncing your Roomba with your home Wi-Fi, we cover each detail to ensure a smooth connection. Learn how to control your Roomba remotely, set cleaning schedules, and receive cleaning reports right from your smartphone. First of all, go to the Apple App Store for iOS users, or Google Play Store for Android users, and search for the iRobot Home app. Download and install it on your smartphone. The app is essential for connecting your Roomba to the Wi-Fi, managing cleaning schedules, monitoring cleaning status, and receiving updates. Open the iRobot Home app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create a new account by providing your email address and creating a password. You may also be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Creating an account is crucial for syncing the app with your Roomba and accessing features like remote control and reports from anywhere. Place your Roomba vacuum on the home base, charging dock. Ensure that it's properly seated and charging. Roomba should be fully charged or at least have sufficient power for the setup process. Roomba must be on its home base to establish a connection with the Wi-Fi and perform certain setup steps. This ensures a stable power source during the setup. In the app, click on the Add a Robot or Set up a new robot option. Select your Roomba model from the list provided. The app will guide you through finding and selecting your home's Wi-Fi network. If the app requests it, press the Wi-Fi button, often located under the dustbin, or the clean button on the Roomba until it beeps and the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking. Choose your home Wi-Fi network. Ensure it is a 2.4 GHz network, as some Roomba models don't support 5 GHz, and enter the password when prompted. This step connects your Roomba to your home's Wi-Fi network, allowing the app to communicate with the vacuum. This is necessary for features like remote control, scheduled cleanings, and receiving cleaning updates. Wait while the Roomba and the app finish establishing a connection to the Wi-Fi. The app will confirm once the connection is successful. The Roomba should display a solid Wi-Fi icon or provide an audible tone as confirmation. This ensures that the vacuum is now linked to your Wi-Fi network and can be controlled through the app. Once connected, you can set cleaning schedules, start/stop cleanings remotely, and receive notifications about the cleaning status. After completing these steps, your Roomba will be successfully connected to your Wi-Fi, and you can control it via the iRobot Home app. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.